Hello everybody, this is going to be a quick non-teardown. This is the BPM Microsystems 2900 9th generation. I decided, well, I need to get this done, the blog post on it, so I would come by and also do a video because sometimes my pictures turn out blurry and it makes a mess of the blog and I just never want to finish it. So here is the power board. I'm going to assume PWB is power board. We will start at this corner. I'll get angles of light. I will go slow. If I go fast, I'll redo it. But you don't see stuff made in the USA much. I could probably put this to 60 frames, but I think going slow works. Hey, we'll go to the other side, see if I go fast, it really blurs. I just don't keep up. One day, I'll invest in a professional camera and have the time to learn how to use it. Or maybe not. I think I do just fine with what I have. Sometimes you gotta turn it just right to get the light. But we're gonna get it. There'll be a record of a teardown or pictures of the inside of one of these BPM 2900s. This is their 9th generation. They're what, on their 10th generation now? I think those chips are the same. Okay, that was the power board. This, I'm going to assume, is the CPU board. It was tested by a Jay Barnes. Thank you, Jay. We'll start at this corner. Come on, focus. Problem, sometimes it just won't focus. There it goes. 49, 2017. This is an assembly number. There it is, made in USA. BPM Microsystems, they do a long run of their programmers. I mean, they last a long time. I should have put this the other direction so you can read the numbers. But This thing has 4 64 gig SD cards. They call it a 256 meg. I'm not sure what they're using the SD cards for. Go to this side. Just zoom in on those to try to get the numbers. I don't think you're going to be able to see that. I will link these in the description. They're almost $10,000. So. I'm going to turn it to the side here. I will get right back to where I was. I'm going to assume that's the RAM. We've got a Cyclone. We've got a Microchip PIC 33F. Bodge wire. Bodgy, bodgy, bodgy. I'm going to assume that U181 is a serial EEPROM of some sort. It's not marked. Okay, that would be the CPU board. Gonna say this might be right here a pen driver board. That's right there. And I'll save you all the headache of putting it back together. What does that board say? PMU. Okay, this is the PMU board. I will post the website with the photos. And I will also post the photos of the 2800, the generation before this. At least I've noticed some changes. If I can get those, just try to zoom in here. Get the numbers on the transistors. I think we got them there. But this one, it passes self-tests, and that's it. That's all I can do with it, is do a self-test. So, haven't registered it yet, so it's still like brand new. And then we got a guest. We've got Cottie. Figured she'd make an appearance at the end. She knows when the camera is on to come over. But she knows when I've got boards out to not come over. So she gets confused. Hey, Mr. J. Barnes again. If I repeat myself, I repeat myself on the video. Another bodge wire. Wonder what they got going on. 24 plus 30 volt. So yeah, if this is putting out 30 volt, they can do the TMS 2716 with it. The only reason why I have this out is I noticed that they added the TMS 2716 to this one, and it might be worth it to get the adapter and try it. But I won't put this back together and make you guys all suffer. I will do that off camera. I just want to get you pictures of the board. Might have went too fast. Okay, I'm going to call that good. Okay, if Cottie can find a spot, she'll take it. So there's Cottie. Even though I'll use that as the thumbnail and people will say, where's Cottie? They'll have to watch to the end. Oh, we got one more board. And I got to drop this down because it's hardwired to the start button. But there's not much to see on this one. It's got an aluminum plate. And on the back side, but there might be a chip on the back side. I think I can see in there. I don't want to disturb the sealing foam. But there's another bodge wire. Gotta love it when manufacturers do bodge wires. I'll zoom in so you can maybe see that. 2 bodge wires. So, but a bit different. These cutouts here are for the actuators for the automatic system because they put these 2900s in the automatic system also. So, but thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment. If it's worth a subscription, hit the subscribe. If it's not, hit the thumbs down. But if you like it, hit the thumbs up. We're gonna give Cottie cookies. Ooh. I'm gonna move this so we can give Cottie cookies so the people that come for Cottie only can see her eat her cookies. There's the cookies. Well, catch y'all later.